Hi, I'm Nicole, and this is Nadia.
And we are the Valley Relocation Team.
Hi, I'm Nicole Walters, and today I'm here to show you our new listing at 128 Walters Road. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow situated on a 1-acre lot in Laurentian Valley. It has a double attached garage plus a detached workshop that would be perfect for any handyman. Downstairs is a huge family room which would be perfect for somebody who likes to entertain. Enjoy today's tour. If you'd like to book a private viewing, please contact me, Nicole Walters, at 613-401-2045, or my partner,
Nadia Party, at 613-401-2308.